Hello guys, welcome back to the channel today, and we are going to make how to replace
French fries.
Yes, I honestly miss French fries. I really loved them before with some ketchup.
Yeah, I mean, we lived on the standard American diet before, and one of the key points of being long-term on keto is that you find very good replacement foods for the stuff that you like bread. So now we're going to show you how to replace French fries
The
on your
simplest
keto
way
diet.
as possible. So let's go.
And if you guys are having trouble with the keto diet, my wife here is a Dr. Eric Berg certified keto coach, and you can check out our website and see if you need any help, and you can book in a free consultation, and we can help you with your weight loss. So let's replace French fries.
Exactly. Step 0, believe that it can be done. The way to go is halloumi, and you would think we will deep fry this in vegetable oils, and that wouldn't be keto anymore. So we're gonna use a contact grill. I got this for $9 from a dollar store, so it's pretty cheap to get one, and it holds up very well. So we're gonna slice this up, put it into the contact grill, and you will get the most beautiful crispy halloumi fries you ever had. It's better than Burger King's ones in the vegetable oil. So this is what we will do. In my case, this is pre-sliced, what is very good. Unexpected, but very good. And then you do this. And now you place them in. I have some sauces left from the meat with it, but that's fine. It just gives an extra flavor. And then just place them in here. It's gonna be so delicious. Without the vegetable oils, it's gonna be amazing. And I think that's the closest we got to fries so far. Here you go, you close it, plug it in, and now you wait 15 minutes. And when you see that they are getting pretty good, like this, it's good to turn them around. So both sides is nicely crispy. And if you have a contact grill like mine that you don't have a little collector, then it's good to put a plate under because it holds quite a lot of liquid. Okay, I think a minute or two and we are good. And now they are all done. You can look at them, they look super good. You can add a little ketchup. I use one with stevia, but there is good options out there. And then you do just like this. You can eat your Halloumi fries. Alright, so that was the easiest way to replace fries on keto. I hope you liked this video. If you did, definitely give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. If you have any other good ways, comment below. We will try them. And see you in my next video. Bye bye!